Hello and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to translate the WPLMS theme into a different language. So after you have downloaded the theme from Theme Forest, you will get a zip file called wplms.zip, which is our theme file as well. Note that this file also contains all the supporting plugins. So to translate this theme, we'll first unzip this file. And we are going to locate the languages folder, and here you can see we have the MO and PO files which are used for translation. If you look at the package plugins with the WPLMS theme also require translation, so you can locate these plugins in the plugins folder, which is here, and copy the wipe course module plugin. Now we unzip this plugin, and inside this plugin you can see that we have the translation files here as well. Next is we download a software called PO Edit, and you can download it from internet. A simple Google search will give you the link to download the plugin. So this is a free plugin. Now to start translating the files, we are going to open these files in PO Edit. So we go to File, Open, and we select the language file in the theme. So now all the translations in the theme are loaded. As you can see, we have the translation for each of these. So to start adding translation, you can simply click and add your translated message here. For this tutorial, we are going to translate few of the text, such as the all courses, which is shown in the course directory, and my courses. So let's start by translating these two from Google directory. Similarly for all courses. Okay, so now that we have added these two, similarly you can do translation for all the text in this, and we can save it as a new file. Instead of en_us, you have to save it in the Spanish language file. So the format you can get from the WordPress in your language link. For Spanish, we have to save it as es_es. So we go to PO Edit and we are going to save it as es_es and save. Okay, so it is indicating an error because we haven't translated it properly. Now we are going to save it, and yes. So our translations have been saved correctly in es_es. Now similarly, we will open the Vibe course module language files. We go to PO edit, open, and we select the Vibe course module languages file. So here we are going to change few text just like we did for the theme. Apart from this, one more thing you need to take care is that your WP config file is correctly set up in the languages. For this, you need to open the WP config file in your server. So for my localhost, I have the WP config file right here, and I assign the language here in WP lang. Copy and paste the languages files that we just created for the theme and for the plugin. So I go to my themes folder, and inside this folder I have the languages folder, and I paste the language files here. Similarly, I go to the plugins folder and locate the Vibe course module which we just translated. Right. So now if we open our demo installation, now we can see that our translated texts are now appearing, as we can see. So here if we go and check a particular course, so as you can see we have translated the course curriculum text. So now let's translate the take this course button. So we open the .po file of our language in PO edit, as you can see, and this is for the WPLMS theme, but we need to open for the Vibe course module, as you can see. Now let's translate this from Google Translator. Okay, and when we paste it, okay, now we save it, and now if we refresh our page, so as you can see we have now changed the start this course button to in Spanish. So to clarify once again, the language file for the Vibe course module should be placed in includes languages folder, and for the site WPLMS theme, the language files should be placed in the WPLMS languages. That's it from WPLMS tips. Thanks for watching.